supposed to say even?
Don't worry about it. What's up, internet? Bearindependent.com. We're here with Homie Biscuits, my wife, brother Alex. Say hi, bro.
Hello.
Deborah.
Hi.
Come on over here, Aida. And Aida, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, this is your house. It was destroyed by these big old storms that came through. We're in Oklahoma right now, right?
Yes.
Okay, here, I'll be in the shot again. So my BA wife is over here. Tell the people, what are we doing in this room? Actually, hold on, let's stop. You had a tree come through your house.
Yes.
You had a tree come through your house.
Yes.
Right there. Right there. And so we're gonna fix your house. We're gonna fix your roof because it leaks. And then we're gonna fix the roof over there also where it leaks, right?
Right.
And then, honey, tell the internet what we're doing in here.
So this particular area that was like the third addition to this house and its mysterious history. This will basically get gutted, and because it's got not only the tree damage and the water damage from that incident, but it's also got old water damage because this was probably a slapstick addition
Right.
that they did at some point to have indoor plumbing, and wasn't done the very best. So
So we're gonna gut this,
take
fix the
everything
roof,
down, fix the roof,
fix
the
the
studs,
structure, and then go back.
insulation.
Oh yeah,
then-
the whole house needs insulation. Deborah, tell us about that.
The whole house needs insulation.
You're a natural. You're a
Bam.
natural. Perfect. Don't be nervous. It's just the internet.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
But don't be. They're gonna love you. They're gonna love you. They love both of y'all.
I don't even do live.
I'm not on the internet either. I'm just delusional. I don't have an internet channel. I'm probably delusional. All right, so that's what we're doing in here.
Right. But I
Okay.
mean, there's plus sides that, like this.
Is that cast
well,
iron?
No, that's enamel.
Enamel? Okay.
But it's still in decent condition.
Okay.
Toilet is
Decent.
brand newish.
I love brand new toilets.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got to do some layout configuration because we have a weird bump out with a hot water heater and a washer and dryer that also need to fit in the space
So this is a
Or somewhere.
bathroom / laundry room ish.
in this area.
Okay. Okay. So let's go this way. We got the shiplap. So then there's no insulation in the house,
No.
right?
No.
So we're gonna pull the ceilings at some point, right?
Right. Yeah.
So that we can let the house breathe because there was water intrusion. Isn't that right, Aida?
That's right.
That's right. Can I get a thumbs up? Send it. There you go. Okay. So there's water intrusion. So we'll pull the ceilings, let it breathe. While the ceilings are pulled and it's breathing, we're going to put loose cellulose insulation in the walls in between the studs. Then we'll come back, put the ceiling back on, and then we'll put the walls together. And sooner or later, you'll have a house again.
Thank God.
Thank God. And then you guys can live happily ever after and
Good.
do the things.
Good.
Kids.
Yeah, with the kids. Yeah, that's true too, right? And then the living room, or this isn't the living room. This is the kitchen, and we got water damage down here, right? So these need to go. So this will all be going. So this is like a construction project.
Nice.
Yeah, that's what it is. It'll be okay. What do you think, babe? Here, you take the phone. Talk to the people.
No, I don't like
You don't like doing that? Okay, fine. I'll do it. So we got to get you a stove, right? We got to do all the
Right.
things.
Well, and we need to adjust some layout.
And we need to adjust some layout.
Yeah.
Moving doors or walls?
No, just things.
Oh, where they land in the room.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, because yeah,
Okay.
when you have a window, you don't like you sink.
Stop
doesn't go over
moving.
here. Your sink goes under your window.
Yes. You know this because you're a designer.
Yeah.
Okay. Kid, you're nuts.
You're gonna crash and burn?
Outside.
Yeah. Very good.
My specialty is kitchen and bath.
Yep.
So like I know how to do everything, but my
You're gonna crash,
Oh.
My really good forte
Oh,
is
you need some light?
kitchens
Yeah.
and baths. So I walk into this and I'm like,
We will fix. So,
I'm like, so much needs to change.
how long has this been this way?
It's been this way for 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah,
And you're living at a friend's house.
right.
And you got how many kids?
3.
And you're a working mom.
Yes.
And you're trying to figure out how to do this all by yourself.
Yes, I do travel and nursing, and it's hard. I have 2 teenage daughters, 12-year-old son, and it's hard because school starts back in August. We don't have the materials, we don't have the funds, we don't have anything to fix this house. Trying to get back into our home, to make our house a home again.
Right.
And it's just hard because there's not enough of funding to go around to make this house a home.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you about worrying?
You said don't worry, that you guys have it covered, but sometimes it's hard not to worry.
Right. You see, you're allowed to have concerns.
Right.
Right. And you remember. So what do? We pray.
Pray,
We scream at the sky.
scream at
Right.
the sky.
Right. Yeah. Do those things. It'll be okay.
Okay,
So you're not allowed to worry. You're only
Right.
allowed to have concerns.
right.
And then what did I tell you about how all this is going to get done?
Through God.
Right? Because the house none of our business.
Yes, right.
Right? The house none of our business. Okay. I literally don't know how. I'm looking at you in the eyes right now. I have no idea how we're going to do this. But he does. So we're going to do it. He's going to do it. He's just going to use us to do it. Okay?
Yeah, it'll
Yeah.
get done.
Yeah, it's going to get done. What do you think, Aida?
Oh, I know it's gonna get done.
Oh, can I get it up top? All right, cool.
I just figured that I was going to just take the key and lock the house up and just say, it's money lost.
Yeah.
That's what I was really going to do. Because I feel like it's a hornet's nest. I feel like I'm not getting anywhere.
And you bought this house with your own money. This is your house.
Yeah.
Right, and you're just in a rock and a hard place because FEMA sucks. Right?
Well, they don't want to help me.
No.
Because I still owe money on 2 lands.
The,
2 lots.
The lots next door.
And it's all on one deed.
Right.
And I can't get FEMA to help.
So you don't have a deed for this place, even though the lot with the house is paid off.
Right.
Because they're all deeded together, and the people who technically still own it, they can't get FEMA help because it's not their primary residence.
Correct.
Which means you have fallen through the cracks, which is why Brother Alex was sent here by the Father to meet you so he could tell me about you, so I could tell the people about you, so that we could do the things.
And you and the people and God, y'all's great.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
try.
Yeah.
I suck. He's really good, though. All right.
Thank
you. You got anything to add?
Not off the top of my head.
You're beautiful. I was talking to my wife.
Oh. We can put Kinley on the end.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I like it. I like it. GoFundMe.com/BearNation, BearNation. GoFundMe.com/BearNation. The 501c3 is in the works. I'll have details on that as it comes along. This is what we do. If you are in eastern Oklahoma, western Arkansas, and you want to come help be the hands and feet, email me, November Tango X-Ray Mike Alpha Golf ntxmag@gmail. And if I would love it if you could please donate, because it is going to take material to get this place done. If you want to donate material, please email me. We need everything. We need floors, walls, appliances, beds, clothes, everything, right? We need everything. So we have a little bit of funding left over from the last mission that we're going to apply to this one, but I'm asking you from the bottom of my heart, please step up. These are real people. I've known you 40 minutes, correct?
Maybe a little longer.
Maybe 45 minutes. Okay. But this is what we do, and we do this because the Father wrote it on our hearts to do it, and here we are. So I'd love it if you would prayerfully consider helping out, whether it's with these or with it dollar signs or prayers. Whatever you got, we'll take it. So bless you guys. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Said I'm approved for $135 for personal property. Then you have been approved for $1,400 for 2 months rental assistance.
Okay.
Then they come on this page and said, assistance not approved for your car
Right.
transportation because it wasn't damaged by the flood, which
Right.
it was here. But then it says ownership not shown. the deed,
Uh-huh.
proof of inheritance, the mortgage documents,
Right.
any of these, real estate tax receipt, land installment contract. They needed all of these things or one of these things, and I can't get them none of it.
Right. And that's why FEMA won't approve you.
Right.
Okay.
So they do say that I could have assistant be approved.
Right.
But then on this back half, I called them and asked them, and then they said, you're not eligible.
Right. So they sent you that paperwork that on the front page says you're approved for this, this, and this.
And I thought
Then
I
on
was getting help.
Then on the back page says, no, by
No.
the way, you're not.
Yeah, by the way.
By the way, you're not. Yay, government.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this is, the government
Disappointing.
sucks.
And I just wanted to cry when I got this because I was like, well, I thought they were going to help me because they told me, don't worry, FEMA's in town, FEMA's going to help you. The only thing they really came and done was give me water.
Right.
They come in, they look at the place, they say, here's a disaster bucket, here's 2 or 3 of them. Y'all just want to have to get somebody to come in and fix the house.
Yeah.
So-
And no funding to fix the house.
Right.
Right.
Right, but they can give us rental assistance if we needed it, but I have to apply all this documentation, which I don't own the 2 lots yet.
Right. So you're in a paperwork trap.
Right,
You're falling through the cracks.
right.
Okay. If there's anybody out there within the sound of my voice that knows how to fix this legally, I would love your help. NTX Mag, November Tango X-Ray, Mike Alpha Golf at gmail.com. Also, Bear Nation, GoFundMe.com/Bear Nation. Literally, there are real people on both sides of this iPhone. Y'all out there and us on this side, and I'm amazed by how you guys show up, and I'm amazed by how you help. And this is what we do. We're gonna fix this. I don't know how. I just got done telling Aida, I don't know how. The how's not my job. I don't know. He knows. So, yeah. Thank you for sharing that. I appreciate that. Cool. Okay, we're now going to a board of directors meeting for Grindstone Ministries, aka lunch with Alex and his wife. What did you just say about these people?
I love these people.
You love these people.
Yeah.
Awesome. You've
I've
decided.
got a keen sense of character, and these people have good character.
Yep.
And they're genuine, and it's a struggle because it is storm damage. It's also
Old house.
just helping a single mom out that made an iffy decision. She had a dream in her mind of having a home that she owned and being able to provide for her kids. Was it the best money she could have spent? No. But she genuinely is trying. And it was just a crap situation of events that put her in a really bad spot, financially and with this house. So I feel a deep conviction to get her in a home so that she can provide a better life for her kids. And like we said before, like the first steps in that is they need a bathroom,
They need the roof fixed.
they need the leaks fixed, and that will get them in the house. It may not be the prettiest situation. It may be cramped that they're all bunking in one room for a time, but that gets them in the house and frees up an exponential amount of money for them that they can then use towards doing other projects on the house to make it more livable.
Right, because the house is paid for, but they're paying rent at apartments right now because they can't live in the house, and they've only got so much money, so.
Right. So, but being able to provide them with those leaks getting fixed, the roof in that 3rd edition getting fixed, and the bathroom, that will give them a huge stepping stone to do their other projects on the home. So yeah,
Awesome.
but you know, it's a you know, if you ever were a single mom, or you know single moms, like, you know that you are single dads, you know, that are taking care of their kids, it's a struggle. It's a lot of work and a lot of pressure to do it by yourself. And luckily enough for her, like, she's got a great friend that is helping her out, that they are staying with, and it's that in and of itself is a huge blessing, because where would she be without that?
Yeah. AIDA is cool.
So
Yep.
so yeah, I definitely,
We're doing it. That's it.
And,
We're doing it.
you know,
One story amongst 100,000 people affected by this flood here. I'm guessing. I don't know how many people are affected by it, but
Right.
it's a lot. But we can do this, and we're gonna do this. And I'm really glad you came today. Yeah.
yeah.
Your eyes are leaking.
No, it's the sweat dripping
Oh,
on my face.
awesome.
It's my skin leaking. I mean, I did get teary-eyed there.
Yeah.
It is touching, but
Incoming. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Pray for us. Pray for Brenda.
yeah.
There's a toddler back here.
And even, I mean, seriously, like, even with everything that they've been through, Aspen fell in love with this little remote control car, and the son, we were leaving, and we go to give it back to him. He's like, no, she can have it.
Yeah.
And I've got another one. I'm good.
Yeah.
And it's like, you know, that's a
Hey, knock it off.
that's a great show of
Their character.
and the way that boy has been raised. So I just had to throw that in there.
Yep,
because
I dig it.
It's really awesome.
GoFundMe.com/Bear Nation. November Tango X-Ray Mike Alpha Golf at Gmail. Let's do the things, y'all. We're spinning it up for Deborah. Shalom.